Okay, a little update on our carving. So first of all, I had to take the block of wood and cut as much as I could with the handsaw. So I put in this back area, I cut in here, put the slant on, cut off as much of wood as I could with the handsaw. Then I started carving, ran out of time, so I took it home, and based on some photos, I carved it more. Now, the problem was, photos are hard to carve by, and I ended up cutting a little bit too much off, as you can see here, but really not too bad, though. I mean, that's not bad. So then I brought it here. It was still too big, so I ended up cutting more, carving more while I was looking at it. And now, then I just, since it's nice basswood, I was able to put one of those siding nails through it right into there, so everything's good and solid now. And now what I'm going to do, my height is about the same, my size is about the same. I don't have quite the texture to it, but I think once I do some caulking and then priming and painting, I think it's going to look pretty good, especially when you have to remember we're 20, 30 feet in the air right now. But I'm pretty happy with it, but it does point out I spent several hours on this, so we're missing some other big pieces. I'm going to be spending a lot of time carving, but looking good.